Namaste, welcome to Easy Ayurveda. Today, we will learn about Sri Gopala Taila, an Ayurvedic oil used in various neuromuscular conditions. It helps to improve memory, retention power, and intelligence when applied over scalp and forehead. It strengthens nerves, muscles, and blood vessels, hence can be used in diabetes and Vata diseases, that is, neuromuscular diseases. In pregnant women, it can be applied over abdomen without any massage to strengthen abdominal muscles and to protect pregnancy. On applying over abdomen, it relieves pain experienced during periods. It is also useful in psychiatric disorders such as schizophrenia, mania, MDP, paranoid features, etc. It is used in neurological disorders and epilepsy. In these disorders, Sri Gopala Taila is used for oil massage, head massage, and Shirodhara treatment. It is also advised to apply a small quantity of this oil during night to forehead and temple regions with gentle massage using fingertips. For a good sleep, a few drops of this oil is applied over closed eyelids. It is used for the treatment of erectile dysfunction. In case of difficulty in passing urine, it is applied on lower abdomen around navel region once or twice a day. It balances Vata, Pitta and Kapha. It is only used for external application. It is used in Ayurvedic treatments such as oil massage, Shirodhara, etc. Now, let us know the ingredients of this oil. Wild asparagus juice extract, ashgard juice, amla juice, winter cherry, country mallow, sesame oil, febrifuge plant, sandalwood, red sandalwood, triphala, tricatu, saffron, musk, calamus, pomegranate, cardamom, etc. Reference of this medicine is taken from Bhaishajya Ratnavali Vata Vyadhi section. While explaining the benefits of this oil, the author of Bhaishajya Ratnavali, Govind Das Ji, explains, Tishthet yasya grihe tailam Sri Gopalabhidam shubham na tatra bhutaah sarpanti na pishacha na rakshasaha na daridryam bhavet tasya vignaha kaschi na jayate ashvibhyam nirmitam hetat vishwa kalyana hetave. The author says this oil is very auspicious. In the homes in which Sri Gopala Taila is present, those homes will not be afflicted with demons, serpents, bad omens and ill luck. Ashvibhyam nirmitam, that means this oil has been designed by the twin gods of the divine world, Ashwini Kumaras. Vishwa Kalyana Hetave, that means this oil is designed for the purpose of welfare of the whole world. Use this medicine only under medical supervision. It is manufactured by many Ayurvedic pharma companies such as Baidyanath, Dabur, Unja, etc. Thanks for watching this video. To learn more about Ayurveda, please visit easyayurveda.com.